Morning children, welcome in online class. Today we will continue the lesson 5, that is decimal. Today we will see like decimal and unlike decimal. What is like decimal and what is unlike decimal? In like decimal, the decimals having the same number of decimal places are called like decimal. That means, suppose we will take an example 22.8, 6.5, 32.6, 31.5. Here, see, after decimal only one digit. Here also, here also, here also. So it is called the like decimal. Understood? That means in like decimal what we will see? We will see the number of decimal places will be same. Here after decimal one digit, after decimal one digit, after decimal one digit. So it is called the like decimal. Understood? And in unlike decimal, having different number of decimal places are called unlike decimal. Just like 42.3, 32.56, 38.635. Here, look here, after decimal one digit, after decimal two digits, and after decimal three digits. Here one digit, two digit, three digit. So different places are there. Decimal place are 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. So all are different. So it is called the unlike decimal. Understood? What is like decimal and what is unlike decimal? Now next topic is conversion of unlike decimal to like decimal. How to convert unlike decimal into like decimal? Suppose one question is here 2.3. Another question is 2.32. Understood? So here after decimal one digit is here and here two digit. So we have to make it like decimal. It is unlike decimal. It is unlike decimal. We have to convert into like decimal. So here after decimal one number is there, here after decimal two number is there. So when we want to convert into like decimal, we will put here 0. After decimal two digit is there, it is already two digit. So it will not change. This will, we will put 0, then it is like decimal. Understood? So what is the meaning? That meaning is that without changing the value of decimal number, the number of decimal place can be increased simply by adding the required number of zeros to extreme right of its decimal parts. That means if having less number of digits here, so we will put right side which number digits we want to increase. That means here 2 digits, so we want to make here 2 digits, so we will put here 0. Similarly, in other question we can see, suppose 6.23 and here 7.237. Okay, here you will see 2 digits are there after decimal, here 3 digits. So it is unlike fraction, unlike decimal. So now we want to convert into like decimal. So we want here 3 digits are there, so we will make here 3 digits. So 6.230 and it will be same. Now see, after decimal 3 and after decimal 3 digits. So it become like decimal. Understood? So one more children, when we will put 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, value will not change. Understood? So how to convert unlike decimal to like decimal? It is clear. Now we will see the comparing of decimals. Comparing of decimals. Now see, number 1 21.23 and 24.78. When we compare two decimals, first we will see the whole number. It is whole number. It is whole number. So first we will see the whole number digits. It is 21. It is 24. So which is greater? 24 is greater. So 24.78 is greater than 21.23. Understood? Now other example we will take, that is 71.25 and 71.56. Here you will see whole number digits first. You will see 71. Here is also 71. Both are same. If the whole number digit is same in both the decimals, so you will see after the decimal number. Here after the decimal 2 and it is 5. Okay. So which is greater? 5 is greater. Then this number is greater from that number. 71.25, 71.56. Understood? If both the whole number is same, then you will see the after decimal digits. Okay. And if these number are also same, then you will see the next. Understood? So on we will check. That means if the whole number parts are equal, then we will compare the extreme left digit of the decimal part. If they are equal, then we compare the next digit and so on. Understood? Now let us start our exercise 5.2. In exercise 5.2, number 1 is MCQ. It is book work. You will do in the book. Which of the following is correct? Which of the following is correct? Here 1.07, 8.5, 8.09 less than 8.8, 8.5 less than 8.07 and 8.8 is less than 8.09. Here first you will see here whole part, whole number, both are 8. So next you will see after decimal, here 0 and it is 5. So it is greater number but sign is opposite, so it is wrong. Now next both the whole number is same, 8, 8. Then after decimal 0 it is and it is 8. So it is greater, so it is correct. And in this question both the whole number is, whole part is same. After decimal 5 and it is 0. So it is less number and it is greater. But sign is opposite, so it is wrong. In here both the whole part is 8 and after decimal 8 and it is 0. But sign is this side. So it is greater, so it is also wrong. So our correct option is B. You will put tick mark in B. Understood? Now next question is number 2. Which of the following is a group of like decimal? Which of the following is like decimal? So already I told you those number are having decimal place will be same, then it is called the like decimal. Now option is given 2.002, 2.02, 2.2, 15.1, 15.01, 15.1, then 15.001. Next is 0.005, 0.505 and 0.005. Last is 10.21, 10.35 and 10.02. Here you will see what is your question. Which of the following is a group of like decimal? Like decimal means decimal place will be same. So here 3, here 2, here 1. So decimal place is not same, so it is not. After decimal here 2, 1, then here 4 digits are there, so it is also not. After decimal again 4 digits, 3 digits, 3 digits, it is not also. So decimal place is same here. Look here, 2 digits here, also 2 digits, also the same decimal place, so it is correct. So our correct option is D. Understood? Now question number 3. Which of the following is smallest of all? 4.02, 4.015, 4.01 and 4.025. Now here we will compare. See, all the whole part is same, all are 4. Now next, here 0, here 0, here 0, here 0. Same. Now next, 2, then 1, then 1, then 2. So here you will see, here it is both are same, 4.01, 4.01. After that it is 5. So it is the smaller number. So which is the smallest? 4.01. It is your option number C. Understood? So we have completed MCQ. Now question number 2. Convert each of the following group in unlike decimal into like decimal. We have to convert into like decimal. Number 1, 8.7 and 7.81. Here first you will see the decimal place. Here 1 digit, here 2 digit. Okay. So 8.7 and it is 7.81. So which is the greater decimal place? Here 2 digits are there. Here 1 digit, so it is less. So we will put 1, 0. After putting 0, decimal 2 digits are there, and here already it is 7.81. So our like decimal is like decimal. Understood? How to? Now next question is question number 2. Here 3 decimal place, here 2 and here 1. So maximum number of decimal places this is. So 3.001 as it is you will write, and here 3.01. So we want to make 3 digits after decimal. So we will write here 3.010. And in 3.1 only 1 digit is there, 1 decimal place. So you will write 1 and 20. Now see, after decimal 3 decimal place 3 and it is 3. So it is a like decimal, that is 3.001, 3.010 and 3.100. It is a like decimals. Understood? So how to convert unlike to like. Clear? Now see question number 3. Now in question number 3 we have to compare. We will put smaller, greater or equal sign. Number 1, 97.6 and then 6.3. Now for comparing, first we will see the whole part. Now it is 97, it is 6. So which is greater? 97 is greater. Similarly in number 2, 6.85 and 8.95. Now first we will see the whole part. It is 6, it is 8. So which is greater? 8 is greater. Similarly in 3, 8.01 and 30.1. So which is greater? 8 or 30? 30 is greater. So if you will see the whole part, any whole part number is greater, then that decimal number will also greater. Now let us see the question number 4. It is 6.99 and 6.999. Now see, both the whole part is same. Next you will see 9, 9. Then again 9, 9. Here no digit is there. Here 9 is there. So it is greater. Understood? One more question I want to see. 6 number it is. That is 11.27 and 11.270. Here whole part is same. And the after decimal digit is also same. Here 0. Here if we will convert into like decimal, we can put 0. 0 is nothing. So we will put equal sign. Understood? So rest of the question you will do. It will be 7 to 12. Understood? Now see the decimal of ascending order. Now we will see the ascending order. It is your question number 4. Now number 1, 0.324, 0.342, 0.243, 0.234, 0.432 and 0.423. Now look here, all the whole part is 0 in all the numbers. Here after decimal you will see 3, 3, 2, 2, 4, 4. 4, 4 is greater and 3 is also greater than these two. Now see here, 2, 2, then 4, then 3. So it is the smallest number. So in ascending, we will go smaller to bigger. So it is the smaller number. So we will write it first. After that it is second. Understood? Now see here, after decimal 3, next is 2, then 4. So it is the smallest. So this is 3, this is 4. Now next you will see 0, 0, 0.4, 0.4. Then 2, then 3. So it is the smallest number. So it is number 5. Then it is 6. Now you will arrange it. This number will come first. 2, 3, 4. Then 0.243. Then 0.324. Then 0.342. Then 0.423 and 0.432. It is the ascending order of the given number. Similarly, we can see number 2 question 8.77, 8.07, 8.707, 787.0, then 7078. Look here, smaller to bigger again we will see. Which is a smaller number first we will see. Here no decimal. That means it is 7078. So it is the largest number. So we will have to see first which is the smallest. 8.8.8. It is also bigger number. So here these three number, in these three number we will see which is the smallest. First whole part is same. Now after decimal 7, it is 0. It is 7. So this number will come first. It is the smallest number because it is 8.07. Understood? Next, it is 707. It is 7 and 7. So look here. After decimal 7, then again 7 and it is 0. So this number will come in second place. Understood? Now next is, it is third. Here 787, it will be 4. Then 7078, it will be 5. So correct answer is 8.07 will come first, then 8.707, then 8.77, then 7877.0, then 7078. It is the ascending order of the given question. Don't be confused here. Don't repeat 707 and 700. This one you will see after decimal first both the number is 7. Then here 0. So it is the smallest. Here 7, it is the greatest. So it will come after this number. Understood? Now it is completed ascending order. 2 questions we have completed. You will do 3, 4 and 5. Okay? In ascending order, which is question number 4. That is 3, 4 and 5 you will do as a homework. Now we will see the descending order. Now in descending order it is next question is descending order. It is your question number 5. Descending order means bigger to smaller. Okay. So first we will find the biggest number. Which is biggest number? See the whole part. 22, 2, 2, 20, 220. 200 is the biggest number. After that, which is the bigger? 22. It will be 2 number. Now look here. 20, 20. Whole part is 20, 20. After that 0.2 and it is 0.0. So it will biggest, then it will bigger than this number. So it is 3, it is 4. Now next you will see 2, 2. Then 0.0, 0.2. So it is the bigger. So it will come in 5th number, it will come in 6th number. So So now you will write 200.2. Next is 22.00. Next is 20.22. Then 20.02. Then 2.200 and 2.020. So it is a descending order. Understood? Now next we will see question number 2. Look here. First we will see the whole part. It is 0, it is 536. 81, 18, 9, 98. So 536 is the biggest number. So it will come first. After that 98. It will be the second. Okay. Now next is 81. It will third. Now after that 18 and it is 9. So it will fourth and it is fifth. Then this one is sixth. Understood? Now arrange it. First is 536.0. Then second is 98.70. Then third is 81.125. Fourth is 18.521. Fifth is 9.870. And sixth is 0.536. So it is the answer. Understood, children? Next you will try to do, that is question number 3 to 6. Thank you. Next